How to connect your device. First, connect the power cable by threading it on the power inlet and ensure it is tight. Now, plug the power adapter into a power port. Secondly, connect the air hose by pressing it firmly into the air inlet. Now, connect the air fitting to a grade D air source. Then, to connect to the auxiliary port, first remove the protective cap. Take the cable end and insert into the auxiliary plug. Ensure you locate the pins correctly and thread tight. To disconnect your air hose, press firmly on the air inlet ring and pull back on the hose. To remove the power cable, unscrew and pull the cable away from the unit. To disconnect your auxiliary cable, unscrew the cable and pull away from the device. Replace the protective cap while the auxiliary plug is not in use.